Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Knowledge Unlimited, and in this video I am going to explain about solving problems regarding type number. So in this video we are going to solve 2 to 3 examples on finding the type number of the system. As I already mentioned, type number means the number of poles. Type number means the number of poles present at origin. So if you have s or s square terms or s cube terms in the denominator, then you can count them as the type number of the system. And two more important points that one should keep in their mind while solving the problems on type number is the given system transfer function should be of open loop transfer function. Should be open loop transfer function. If T of s is the given, if T of s is given, I already said this is the closed loop transfer function. So you should find G of s from the T of s, because these two are the standard notations that we are going to use in the control systems. This represents the transfer function of the closed loop system, and G of s represents the transfer function of the open loop system. The type number is calculated, or the type number will be explained for open loop systems only. So this is one of the important point that should keep in your mind while solving the problems on type number. And other important point is, if the given system is non-unity feedback, not a unity feedback system, not unity feedback, then you should convert it into unity feedback system. So now I am going to focus on these 2 points, and if you are able to solve, or if you can understand these 2 points, then you can solve any problem regarding the transfer functions, or regarding the type numbers, sorry. So let me solve first example, that is given T of s equal to 2s plus 3 by s square plus 6x plus 3. So this is the given question. Find the type number of the following. Find the type number. So now, as this is the closed loop transfer function, you should find G of s from T of s. That I already told you a shortcut, that numerator by, that is 2s plus 3 by denominator minus numerator by denominator minus numerator. This is the formula you can use to convert from closed loop system T of s to G of s. So this is the formula you can use to convert closed loop system into open loop system. So denominator is s square plus 6x plus 3 minus numerator, that is 2s plus 3. So now I can write this as 2s plus 3 by s square plus 6s minus 2s is plus 4s plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. So now in the denominator you can take s as common, that is s into s plus 4. Now you can clearly observe s equal to 0 is one pole and s equal to minus 4 is another pole. So the poles are located at s equal to 0 and s equal to minus 4. Since type number means the poles that are lying at origin, so you can say the type number of the system is 1 in this problem. So in this way you can solve the type number of the given system. So let me give you one more example, that is a direct question. Find the type number of the system if G of s equal to 4 into s plus 2 by s cube into s plus 4 into s plus 6. Suppose this is the question given. Since it represents the open loop transfer function, so directly you can check for the number of poles that are present at origin. In this question, s equal to minus 2 is the 0, s equal to 0, minus 4, minus 6 are the poles, and there are 3 poles that are located at the origin, and at minus 4 and at minus 6. So you can say the type number of this system as 3. So in this way you can solve for type number of any given problem. So now let us solve for a non-unity feedback case. So let me write the question for you. R input, it's negative feedback. So this is the forward path and the gain is G, and here it is my output. Now here I am taking a feedback H. So now it is a simple block diagram. You can observe. So now from this point directly you cannot specify the type number. You cannot specify type number directly. So what you should do is you should convert this into a unity feedback system. That will happen if you take two more feedbacks, that is +1, and one more feedback, that is -1. This is a simple intuitive approach where, for example, if x is there, then if you add and subtract 2x, then the value will not change. So in the same way, if you take a feedback that is positive feedback of unity and negative feedback of unity, then the value will compensate and the overall output will not change. So now you solve step by step from the rules of block diagram reduction. Here we will get G by 1 plus GH followed by two feedbacks, that is +1 and -1. So now you solve for this case, that is again G by 1 plus GH, that is now G is G by 1 plus GH by 1 plus G by 1 plus GH into 1. Now you note one point, that here it is a positive feedback +1 unity and it is a positive feedback here. So here you can take it as minus. Why? Because in the formula I mentioned already, if it is positive feedback then it will be minus sign, and if it is negative feedback then it will be plus sign. So if you simplify this, 1 plus GH will get cancelled and you will present numerator as G, and here 1 plus GH minus G. Now this is the open loop function, open loop transfer function of the system, and you have to define the transfer function, the type number for that. So in this way you can solve for type number of any problems that are given to you, and this is one of the most important concept relating to the problems that you can face in the competitive exams. So that's all for this video, and see you in the next one.